Hello and welcome uli sa aking kusina. Gagawa tayo ngayon ng peanut butter crinkle cookies. And here are the following ingredients. All-purpose flour or plain flour, butter, white sugar, brown sugar, egg, milk, baking soda, salt, vanilla powder or pwede kayong gumamit ng vanilla extract. Of course, meron tayong peanut butter, icing sugar for dusting, and we have optional ingredients na chocolate kisses. So, ang lahat ng ingredients at exact measurements, makikita nyo ang link sa description box, paki-check na lang. So, ang ating first step dito sa ating plain flour or all-purpose flour, isama na natin yung baking soda or bicarbonate of soda at yung salt. Then, mix it together. Then, we'll set this aside. So, ang ating next step, dito sa ating mixing bowl is inilagay ko na yung butter at saka yung peanut butter. So, imi-mix lang natin to hanggang maging well-blended. Then, scrape lang natin yung bottom para talagang well-mix ang ating ingredients. Pwede na natin isama yung ating sugar at saka yung ating brown sugar. Then, we'll mix ulit hanggang maging well incorporated. So, continue lang natin yung pagbibit hanggang maging fluffy na yung ating mixture. So, ayan. Pag ganitong fluffy na yung ating mixture, i-add na natin yung egg, yung ating milk, at kung yung vanilla extract ang gagamitin nyo, isama nyo na rin. So, ito yung vanilla powder. So, i-mix ulit natin to. And again, after a few minutes of mixing, don't forget na i-scrape yung ating sides at yung bottom. Then, mix ulit natin to maybe for another 2 minutes. So, ayan. After 2 minutes again, so, again, smooth na at fluffy na ang ating mixture. So, i-add na natin yung ating flour, baking soda, and salt mixture. Then, we'll mix this again hanggang maging smooth na siya and well incorporated. So, ayan. After a minute ng pagbibit, so, well mixed na siya. So, scrape lang natin. Ito. And then, takpan lang natin to ng cling wrap, yung ating bowl. At i-refrigerate natin itong mixture for a minimum of 2 hours hanggang mag-firm up lang yung ating cookie dough. Then, balikan natin. So, once ready na yung dough natin, mag-prepare tayo ng tray and line with the parchment paper. And then, mag-preheat na rin tayo ng oven sa 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. So, ito na yung ating cookie dough na nilagay sa fridge. So, kung meron kayo ng mas maliit na ice cream scooper or cookie scooper, siguro mga 1 inch lang. Kuha tayo ng konti. Kasi malaki itong aking scoop. Kaya kalahati lang gagawin ko. And then, i-roll lang natin in between our palms. So, yan. And then, i-roll natin dito sa ating icing sugar. Then, ilalagay natin dito sa ating prepared tray. So, continue lang nating procedure na ito hanggang matapos natin lahat ng dough. So, ayan. Nakagawa na ako ng isang tray. So, ready na rin yung ating oven. So, i-bake na natin to for 8 to 10 minutes on a preheated oven sa 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. So, after 10 minutes sa ating oven, so, i-transfer lang natin to sa ating cooling rack. And we'll leave this for about 2 minutes bago tayo mag-proceed sa next step. So, after 2 minutes dito sa ating cooling rack, so kung gagamit kayo ng Hershey Kisses, i-baon lang natin sa gitna. So, make sure you press it down. So, kung hindi naman kayo gagamit, so, pwede na ito. So, careful lang tayo sa pag-i-insert para hindi mag-crack completely yung ating cookie. So, eto na ang ating peanut butter crinkle cookie. Yung merong kisses at yung plain. So, nakagawa ako ng 26 pieces dito sa recipe na ito. So, sana magustuhan nyo itong recipe na ito and share it with your friends. Hanggang sa susunod kong video, magkita-kita ulit tayo. Salamat! Bye!